Introducing the new Adventuridge 3-in-1 multifunctional camping light sold exclusively at Aldi. This light is highly versatile and will make roaming around in the dark so much easier on your next adventure. Included in the box is the 3-in-1 camping light, a USB charging cable and your user guide and warranty card. Before using your camping light, it's recommended to fully charge it. Near the top of the light, you will see this rubber flap. Simply open that to reveal the charging port. Take the supplied USB charging cable and connect it to a power source, and you will notice that the charging light near the charging port will turn red, indicating that it is currently charging. Once the indicator turns green, that means the light is fully charged. It's also important to note that you can extend the operation of the light by connecting a power bank or other external power source that can charge it while in use. To power on the light, simply push the brightness and mode switch to turn the light mode on. The camping light can be in 4 different positions. The first is lantern mode as displayed here. If you'd like to adjust the brightness, push the brightness switch to a different position. Next, adjust the mode switch to move into the flashlight position. To convert to the next 2 positions, which is a table light or spotlight, gently press the folding lock button as pictured here. Then simply fold the front lens out and pivot the arm and lens upward until it's over the base. From here, you can adjust to a table light or spotlight position. There is also a power saving feature in lantern mode called Breath of Light. If you don't adjust the brightness for approximately 45 seconds, it will start slowly pulsating the brightness. This will ensure that the charge of the light will last longer, up to 24 hours. We hope you enjoy your new Adventuridge camping light, and don't hesitate to call us on 1300 002 534 if you need any support.